Windows 11 settings that you should change right now. Hello everyone, if you are a new Windows user, here are the few settings that you need to change. The first one is creating a restore point. To do so, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in restore. Now click on create a restore point and it will open the system properties. If you do not see the create option highlighted, you need to tap on configure settings. Now click on turn on system properties and if you go back, you will see the create option. Now tap on it and give a name to your restore point. You can give it the date of which you create it and tap on create. In few seconds, you have now successfully created your restore point. Now for the second option, we have to create a local account. Local accounts are very necessary if you are using your Windows. To create so, on the search bar type in NETPLWIZ. After that click on add and then click on sign in without a Microsoft account. Now you have to tap on local account, give the username, password and confirm it. And just by that you have added a local account which can be very beneficial. For the third solution we have disabling Windows Update Auto Restart. For that, right-click on your Start button and go to Settings. After that, you have to click on Windows Update. Now tap on Advanced Options. Here you will see the option of Get Me Up to Date. Make sure that it is toggled on because if you do so, you will restart as soon as it is possible even during active hours, which might not be beneficial. Similarly, right below that, you will see the option of Notify Me when restart is required. Make sure to toggle it on. So these were 3 such solutions of the Windows user. For more such tips and tricks, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.